So why would you buy the Wyze video doorbell cam over all the other somewhat more famous competitors? Well, one, the price is way more reasonable and you get some extra stuff that you don't get with a lot of the other competitors. So let's talk about it. If you're familiar with these doorbell cams, you'll know they all do pretty much the same exact thing. This one, it is the Pro version and it is 1440p, which is a little bit bigger video, higher video quality. It is a fisheye lens, so it's going to kind of do that rounded fisheye look, but that's going to allow you to see down to the ground and up to the ceiling and see just a wider range of area. You can also talk to people through the app. So you download the Wyze app, you connect it to that. If someone's on your front porch, you can talk to them through the app, which is really convenient. It has day and night vision. Comes with an inside doorbell. So when someone actually rings the doorbell, this inside chimer will make a sound so that you know when someone's at your door, which is a really nice feature that I like. Comes with a quick start guide. You can read that. Comes with all the accessories. Comes with multiple base plates if you want to do an angle. You can also hook it straight into the wires for your existing doorbell so it stays recharged, or you can just take it out, open this up and plug it in, and you're going to have to plug it in at least a couple of times a year to keep the battery charged. You can also screw it in with their weird screw end that most people don't have on them. You can actually screw it to the base plate so that nobody can steal it. And let's talk about the elephant in the room. Most of these plans, you can't really use them without a monthly charge. So I know my doorbell, when it rings, if I wasn't paying for the monthly charge, then I wouldn't be able to actually answer it and see who's there. It would alert me, but that's pretty much all I can do. With this, you can use it without a monthly charge. You're going to get limitations though. So I think you are limited to how long that video stays in the cloud and how long that video can be. I think it's like 12 seconds of video only. So if someone's on your porch talking for 3 minutes, it's not going to upload all that 3 minutes to the cloud. It's only going to upload like 12 seconds, something like that. And it's only going to keep that video for about 14 days. Every 2 weeks, it's going to clean out the videos you have in there. So if you want to store longer videos and save your videos, then you do have to pay a monthly charge. And I think the fees are like less than $2 for one of the packages or $10 for another package. So it's not outrageous, but you can use this without paying a monthly fee, which is really cool. So there you go. If you are looking for a more reasonable priced video doorbell that's going to work just as well as the big competitors, but you don't have to pay for it, or you want to pay less for it, but you don't want to pay for the subscription, or you want some different features like inside Chime doorbells, then this is something that I am testing and I am currently enjoying and that I would definitely recommend.